Today is June 16th. We've had some weird weather. We went from really hot to just about downright chilly, especially in the mornings. And the plants are starting to fall over. Let's take a closer look at some of them, okay?
These are the old potato plants. Now, look at that. It looks like a forest there, doesn't it? It's great.
So to me, it's a complete mystery as to what is underneath these plants. Could be a lot of nothing. Well, there's the rest of the radish harvest. It's June 18th.
I'm about ready to give up on radishes.
Anybody want any radishes?
No way, Jose!
Today is June 28th. And those are slowly dying. Looks like I'll be harvesting those potatoes pretty soon.
And I will be the 2016 potato growing king.
So this is a lot sooner than last year, so we don't know what's under there. Hopefully the mole didn't get in there and eat all my potatoes. Haven't found that mole yet, but when I do, I'm gonna hang him from the highest yard arm. Send him back to Arkansas where he belongs.
Hang him from the yard arm!
Okay, today is July the 5th. It's been exactly 13 weeks since I planted them. And there they are. Although some are still green, I've decided just to dig them all up, get it over with, and be done with it. So, without further ado, let's do it. I've got my chair there I'm going to use. I've got my spoon. And there's my band. Hope to fill that up just like last year. I think I'm in trouble. Kind of pitiful so far.
Sorry, Buzz. Your hopes of winning this year's potato harvest king, it's just been washed away.
If you don't think this is hard work, you gotta try it sometime. Split in the holes. Look at that deformed one.
Yeah.
Rotten. Bug hole. Split. Look at that.
Oh my God.
They're all together. I ain't seen nothing like that before. This is that big red one, if you remember I bought it at a feed store.
Hi, I'm a red potato.
Split. I'm about tired. Well, looks like I got enough to beat John from Arkansas. But mine don't look that pretty. Neither did his. There's a lot in there that's good. I'm gonna weigh only the good ones. And I'm gonna do the rest off camera. But by the looks of it, I beat him. So I'm gonna declare myself Buzz, 1151, the 2016 Potato Harvest King, twice in a row. Okay, it's time for the weigh-in. There's probably about 10 pounds that I just threw out. So I only got the good ones in the basket, so let's weigh it.
Holy mackerel.
65 pounds. Last year I think it was 69. So that concludes the 2016 Potato Contest. Next up, the crowning.
I did better than last year, but not so good. Wait till next year.
You want me to cancel the dump truck?
Yeah, maybe better.
All right, will do.
Dickel. Yes, Buzz. I think you deserve this more than me. Thank you, Buzz. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the 2016 Potato Harvest King, Dickel Aflockett. Accept your crown, Your Majesty.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. First, I'd like to thank John from Arkansas for not catching me when I was pissing on his garden. Second, this crown could not have been won if not for the spud mole. Come here, boy, and take a bow. Get him off, Buzz!
Boy, get him!
Get him off! Get him off, Buzz!
Alright, I got him. Hold on.
What? My nose? No! Now I look like Pinocchio too! Boss! 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 Boss!
It's good to be the king.